Is your roof insurance keeping pace with the latest building codes and coverage needs? Find out how to keep your policy up to date in our Part 6 of 7 on mastering your insurance coverage. Anytime there's a major change in your policy, I would review the coverage that you have. This would include all external structures, and roofing falls into that category. In California, especially at elevation, we have very specific codes to prevent snow build and ice damming. We also have very specific codes for valleys. Understanding codes is a complex topic. Hiring a partner like Sierra Hills Roofing can help make that process much easier. Any modification to an external structure, especially a roof replacement, is something you would want to notify your insurance carrier of right away. Things like a new roof actually lower your monthly premium on your insurance policy. Make sure your insurance provider is notified if you make a major home improvement, especially one like a re-roof. Keep your roof and insurance in top shape. Follow us for updates and reach out to Sierra Hills Roofing for a professional evaluation.